Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is Aba in January of 2026 and I'm around Aba-Owerri Road. We are very close to Dr. Obunaya Onu Polytechnic. From here we'll be heading towards Park Road and then Ehi Road by East. So guys, kindly watch the video down to the end if you want to see how Aba and its environs looks like in 2026. And you'll be seeing a little bit of construction going on. I believe is the covering of the drainage along this road. If you look well, you see that most of the drainage along this road has been covered, and I think the work is still going down up front. But for now, we are heading down to Park Road, from which we'll be getting to Ehi Road by East. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making our chance to watch my video. So no long talk, just watch the video and tell me what you think in the comment section. If I passed your area, if I passed your hood, you can as well tell me in the comment section. Aba has really changed a whole lot. Before, some years ago, if you come to Aba was, so bad. A lot of trash littered all over the place. But who knew that Aba could become this clean someday? Who knew? So just look at how beautiful, how clean this place is right now. Somebody that doesn't know Aba before will be like, why are you hyping this place? But you needed to know how Aba City used to be like before, so that you can be able to understand why, the people of Abia State have been praising this current administration that have taken it upon themselves to make sure that the commercial hub of Abia State is clean and people can come here and do their business comfortably without any, trash, nyama, disturbance, mepaho, and the rest of them. Aba is now clean. In fact, Aba to me now is one of the cleanest cities we have in Nigeria. Let me don't limit it to the east. In Nigeria, one of the cleanest cities. Now, along this road, you see a lot of shopping complex or people doing their business. Of course, this is a commercial hub of Abia State, so this is a business city. Owerri is an Ungwari city. Aba is a business city where buying and selling, there's no type of goods, no type of commodities that you won't see in the commercial hub of Abia State. And good thing that some industries that we are moribund, they are being revived. We have seen a lot of good developments happening in the beautiful city of Aba. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above. So you see, tricycles, it's allowed here. Tricycles is a means of transportation here in Aba. On the menuka movement, the ngwangwa, Abia, a taxi ju. Keke go deliver you for Aba here. Well, hey, they go, piam, me ala keke irule be naga. It's just that sometimes people say that tricycle guys drive rough and the rest of them, but Charlie, we can't do without these tricycles in our cities, except maybe they are restricted to some areas. But Charlie, maybe they not even restrict them. Keke, they help people life, in terms of transportation for the state and even in other places too. Around this road, I think, is where we also have, I think I saw Roots Crunchies around this road, and you can get a lot of electronics, in Aba. A lot of big markets are here, international market, a lot of them. So guys, tell me what you think in the comment section. Do you think that truly Aba, the past, that glory Aba used to have, do you think is gradually coming back? And do you think that the city is, becoming better, more modernized? I believe a lot of businesses, I believe with what is happening in Aba now, more investment will be coming into the city, because businessmen, of course, will need a clean environment in the big man and in the dirty place. clean environment, a conducive environment for business, security, and the rest of them. So water. So guys, you can watch the video down to the end. You can also share the video. Say what bus stop, just like the same thing we have in Umuahia. We have bus stops like scattered, spread across all over Umuahia. That's how it is in Aba too. So on the day I made this video, I saw a lot of people returning back, in the Gara Christmas, or coming back to the beautiful city of Aba to start where they stopped last Christmas. Hustling. So a lot of people are coming back. Transporters are cashing out this period, like a lot, because a lot of people are coming back, they need the taxi, keke, buses, or their services, like they need them, and they're really making a lot of money. So that's a building there with paintings, techno, and the rest of them. This building, anybody where they come Aba, you go sabi this building. You understand? If they come Aba, you will sabi this building. Another popular place now, this what is this place called? They call that GSM and St. Michael's. I think St. Michael's is it really far from this particular area now? I don't really know. So guys, see the bus now, see that electric bus now. In the night park for there where they help people live, they carry us free of charge for now. So this back road, you can see how it's crowded a little bit. Yeah, it's crowded a little bit. A lot of tricycle guys around here. I think they park here, they load from here. I think there's also a park. Maybe that's the reason why they call it park road then. So there's a park around there too. So guys, no much talk. Just watch the video, take your time, watch the video, and tell me what you think in the comment section.